Hey everyone, today I'm back with a really quick video on something that I like to make for my skin. This is my DIY toner recipe. It's very easy to do and it's great for all skin types. I hope you guys enjoy. When you're making your own skincare, you always want to make sure everything you're using is very clean. Make sure your bottle is already prepared so that when you've prepared your mixture, you can pour it right in there. I love rose water. That's why I chose it for one of the bases of this toner. This is great for normal to combination skin, but if you have very oily skin, I highly recommend substituting this for a very inexpensive ingredient called orange blossom water. I've also used that on my skin, and like I said, it's really good for oily skin. The next ingredient I'm gonna do is 2 tablespoons of witch hazel. This is nature's astringent. Literally everybody and anybody can use this. I started using this when I was in my teens, so I like to use it in my toner now because I know it still works to this day. Next, I'm going to choose some essential oils. I'm trying a new blend for this video. I'm using tea tree oil, and I'm also going to be using lavender because sometimes I get breakouts and I know that tea tree really helps with that. And the next oil I'm choosing is lavender. I love lavender because of the smell. I've always loved it. I find it very calming and it reduces anxiety. But on the skin, it does aid in cell turnover, which means that it helps your cells turn over, which means if you have any little dark marks or acne scars, it's going to speed up the process of fading those, which is something that I'm interested in for my skin. So I'm really familiar with the base, the rose water and the witch hazel, but I was new to the blend of tea tree and lavender, and I used half of the bottle, or almost, and I really like it. My skin's been looking really good, and it's that time of the month, so I'm pretty lucky I have no breakouts. I don't know if that's because of the toner, but my skin definitely loves it. So you can apply it like a regular toner, or you can mist it all over your skin. I personally prefer to just mist it over my skin lately, but it's up to you, and that is how you use this toner. Always follow up with your regular skincare routine after. Never skip that, and then that is how you use it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below and let me know what your skin type is, so when I do another DIY or skincare hacks video, I know what kind of skin types to cater to. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.